Dogman movie characters and their favorite drinks. Dogman. Blueberry smoothie. Petey. Crush. Flippy the fish. Grape soda. Lil Petey. Sunkissed. Chief. Big Blue. Butler. Grampa. Sarah Hatoff. Water. Grampa. Zevia. Dogman movie characters and their favorite movies. Dogman. Bolt. Petey. Garfield. Flippy the fish. Finding Dory. Lil Petey. The Lorax. Chief. Zootopia. Butler. Home. Sarah Hatoff. Ninja Turtles. Grampa. Secret Life of Pets. Dogman movie characters and their favorite snacks. Dogman. Blue corn chips. Petey. Cheetos. Flippy the fish. Tostitos. Lil Petey. Fritos. Chief. Chex Mix. Butler. Takis. Sarah Hatoff. Popcorns. Grampa. Sun Chips. Dogman movie characters and their favorite candies. Dogman. Raspberry gummies. Petey. Orange slices. Flippy the fish. Laffy Taffy. Lil Petey. Reese's. Chief. Almond Joy. Butler. Nerds. Sarah Hatoff. Skittles. Grampa. Butterscotch. Dogman movie characters and their favorite apps. Dogman. Facebook. Petey. Reddit. Flippy the fish. Viber. Lil Petey. Pinterest. Chief. Discord. Butler. Twitch. Sarah Hatoff. BBC News. Grampa. Parlor. Dogman movie characters and their biggest fears. Dogman. Failing to handle a crime. Petey. Losing Lil Petey. Flippy the fish. Being caught. Lil Petey. Being ignored. Chief. Losing authority. Butler. Getting fired by Petey. Sarah Hatoff. Fake news. Grampa. Aging. Dogman movie characters and their favorite mobile games. Dogman. Talking Ben. Petey. My Talking Tom. Flippy the fish. Hungry Shark. Lil Petey. My Talking Angela. Chief. Subway Surfers. Butler. Magic Tiles. Sarah Hatoff. Among Us, Grampa, Pokemon, Dogman movie characters and their favorite desserts. Dogman, blueberry pie, pate, sorbet, Flippy the fish, ubi ice cream, Lil Pate, mango mousse, Chief, blue velvet cake, Butler, yam cake, Sarah Hatoff, apple pie, Grampa, carrot cake, Dogman movie characters and their favorite superheroes. Dogman, Underdog, Pete, Garfield, Flippy the fish, Aquaman, Lil Pate, Catwoman, Chief, Captain America, Butler, Wonder Woman, Sarah Hatoff, Supergirl, Grampa, Iron Man, Dogman movie characters and their favorite foods. Dogman, hot dog, pate, salmon, Flippy the fish, fish tacos, Lil Pate, fried chicken, Chief, Happy Meal, Butler, eggplant, Sarah Hatoff, sushi, Grampa, roast chicken, Dogman movie characters and their favorite fruits. Dogman, blueberries, pate, oranges, Flippy the fish, grapes, Lil Pate, tangerines, Chief, raspberries, Butler, passion fruit, Sarah Hatoff, coconuts, Grampa, mangoes, Dogman movie characters and their favorite sports. Dogman, dog agility, pate, parkour, Flippy the fish, surfing, Lil Pate, scooter riding, Chief, ice hockey, Butler, skipping the rope, Sarah Hatoff, tennis, Grampa, horse riding,